Fermate Course D Title, Integrated Forest Resources Management. Unit 7. Carrying Capacity on Dother SD Concept. Definition of carrying capacity. Carrying capacity is the maximum population that a given area can sustain. The measures commonly used include the number of individuals or the total biomass of population, which are each highly dependent on differencing physiology and age structure among species and across large taxonomic groups. The use of the term carrying capacity has changed over time, but most models suggest that population growth is rapid when density is low and decreases as population increased towards some maximum. There also has been a distinction made between ecological carrying capacity, which refers to the limitation of a population due to resources, and the management-oriented maximum sustainable yield for a population, referred as an economic carrying capacity, which is usually lower than ecological carrying capacity. Carrying capacity may be expressed mathematically. One of the simplest form of population change over time can be represented as the differential equation, or equals n, where or represents the instantaneous change in a population over a short time period. R is the intrinsic growth rate of the population, and n is the size of population. Carrying capacity symbol, number of individual for a particular species that the environment can carry or sustain. Other definition of carrying capacity. What is carrying capacity? In biology and environment science, the carrying capacity of a biology species in a particular habitat refers to the maximum number of individuals of that species that the environment can carry and sustain, considering its geography or physical features. Carrying capacity formula. The formula for calculating a change in population size. Example of carrying capacity in human geography. Carrying capacity example. Another example is the tree population in a forest. Let's say a forest can have a carrying capacity about 100 trees. This means that the trees can grow without fiercely competing for sunlight, nutrients, and space. Other example of carrying capacity, the maximum amount of things a place can support before a problem occur. Carrying capacity, conditions and resources available, specific area and consumption habits of the species. Carrying capacity is measured of sustainabilities with these changing conditions.